Hello, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to cut the stylish blouse with a basque waistline. But before we begin, please like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Now to start cutting, this is my armhole line, this is my underbust line and this is my half length line and length line. Now I'll come and mark my neck with 3.5, come down by 3.5. You can also come down by 4 or 5 for a deeper neck. Then mark the shoulder measurement divided by 2. Come to the armhole line and also mark the shoulder measurement. On the armhole, I will fold my tape into 2, mark the middle, come in by ½ inch and curve it like this. Come down by ½ inch at the shoulder. At the waistline, I will mark the dart line which is 4. At the armhole line, I will mark the dart which is 4 plus ½ inch. Come to the armhole, place the tape from the midpoint, fold it in 2 and mark. Now through the marked points, I will draw the dart line. I'm going to mark ½ inch here. Then at the side, I will mark 1 inch. Connect the marked points to the dart line just like this. Now mark the bust size divided by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. Come to the half length line, mark the waist size divided by 4, replace the 1½ inches for the dart plus 2 inches allowance. At the length line, I will mark the hip size divided by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. Connect the points. Cover the armhole. On the length line, place the tape from the original hip size point, then fold it in 2 to mark the dart line. Connect it just like this. After that, I'll come down by 3 inches, but you can also come down by 5 or 6 inches depending on your measurement. Cut to shape. After cutting, this is how it looks. Now to cut the back, this is my fabric folded in 2. From the side of the fabric, I will mark out 1.5 inch for the zip line. Now I'll mark the neck with 3.5. Mark the shoulder measurement divided by 2. Mark the armhole length which is 9. At the armhole length, mark the shoulder, connect the points. For the neck depth, come down by 1.5 inch. Come down by ½ inch at the shoulder. Now from the shoulder, mark the waistline plus 3 inches to get the blouse length. Mark 4 inches for the dart line. At the armhole, place and fold my tape into 2, mark the middle. From the midpoint, place the tape, fold and mark. Now connect the points to form the dart line. Mark the bust size divided by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. At the length line, mark the waist size divided by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. Connect the points, then curve the armhole. Now I'm going to cut out the shape. Now this is the lining for the blouse. Now to cut the hand, I folded my fabric in two and took 16 as the width. Now come down by 3.5 inches at the sides and curve like this. I'll mark the sleeve length, then add 2 inches extra folding allowance. Now cut to shape. After cutting, that is all you have to do to cut this blouse. In my next video, I will show you guys how to sew it. So if you are yet to subscribe, please do so to get notified anytime I post new videos.